What if I told you one word could change your life? I'm here to share a powerful lesson that transformed my mindset and my life. It was 2015. I was in a life coaching class, and my teacher demonstrated the difference between trying and doing. It blew my mind away. She said, try to get this pen. That's trying. Now grab the pen. That's doing. See the difference? From that day, I became obsessed with eliminating the word trying from my vocabulary. It's a word that signals fear, uncertainty, and lack of commitment. Tell me if it doesn't sound different. I'm trying to build my own business versus I'm building my own business. Trying sets you up for failure. It's a safety net for when things don't go as planned. But what if you remove that net? What if you fully commit? By changing, trying to doing, you reprogram your mind, and your actions and results will follow. It's a shift that empowers you, boosts your confidence, and makes you unstoppable. So I challenge you, pay attention to your words, replace trying with doing, and watch your life transform. Stop trying, start doing.